So what happens when you sing? First, of course, you breathe in, right? Take a nice deep breath. By the way, we'll talk more about breath support also in a future lesson in this series. But you take that nice breath in. Now your lungs are filling up with air, and that air, as it comes back out of your body, it goes through your trachea and up over your vocal cords. Those vocal cords vibrate. They create a sound wave. That sound wave finds its way up through your entire vocal passage, through your throat, your pharynx, your mouth. Sometimes it goes into your head and your nasal passages, other times just directly out through your mouth. You create that sound, you shape that sound. That sound wave goes out, it finds its way to somebody else's ears, goes in, connects to their brain, and they interpret that as music. Ho, ho.